Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Noah, and yes, today is my birthday. It's Saturday, 8th of July of 2023, and I'm 23 years old. Long story short, I made this video before, literally yesterday, so I can edit today, but it was too long and it was too depressing to the point I was like, you know what? Maybe it's better if I explain every single depressing stuff I was talking about in the video in a live stream form, which is the reason why I'm making this video. I'll be streaming today, a bit early, so not 5 to 7, but I will be streaming from 3 to 5. I have something tomorrow in the morning, so I'll be streaming a little bit early. So it's gonna be my birthday stream today. I'll be streaming from 3 to 5, or from my time is like 10 till 12 p.m. Anyways, the point is, I'll be streaming. I might be streaming even early, depending on the scenario. But it's gonna be a 2 hours long or more or less, depends really, of just a normal stream, except that it's my birthday. I have a birthday. I am 23 years old. I'm getting old. Anyway, so keep that on your thing, okay? You guys are gonna be watching me. Alright. Just playing, and God knows who's gonna be joining me. I probably no one. But hey, who cares? Birthday stream. Anyways, so again, check me out on Kick and Twitch. Although I might not be streaming in Twitch because literally Twitch is being dead. So I might be streaming on Kick and maybe even on YouTube. Actually, you know what? I might be streaming on YouTube and Kick. So yeah, check that out. The Kick stream is on the description down below. Remember to follow me for the sake of my birthday. And also remember that I'll be streaming into it today. So remember that. How many times did I say that actually? But anyways, without wasting time, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to give a like, subscribe today for more content, share this video, comment down below my happy birthdays, okay? All right, just to comment down below happy birthday. Come on, let you happy birthday to me, and also for anyone who you know that might having a birthday soon enough. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the stream. All right, bye bye. Give views for this cute little puppy. Look at the puppy, so cute. Even she gave me a happy birthday, even though she can't talk. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to... You don't want to look at me for? Why? Happy birthday to him. Yeah, kita go. Alright. Bye. See it. Ah. Cute.